Hi, my name is Elvin Florin from our farm BSHM 2C. For today's video, I'm going to show you the different types of glassware and its uses.
Highball glass, 8.5 ounce used for whiskey, soda, water, for gin cocktails. Tom Collins, 12 ounce used for long drinks, juices and mixers are added to spirit for iced tea and shake. Old fashioned glass, 9 ounce used for whiskey on the rock for old fashioned cocktails. Beer mug, 12 to 14 ounce used for beers. Port glass, 5 ounce used for port wine. White wine glass, 6 ounce used for white wine. Red wine glass, 8 ounce used for all red wine. Flute, 6 ounce used for all sparkling wines and champagne. Martini glass, used for martini drinks. Water goblet, 8 to 10 ounce used for chilled water served at the table. Margarita glass, used for cocktails like margarita.